Let's make some sensory Play-Doh for Thanksgiving that smells as good as it feels. Here we go.
The pie is smelling delicious.
Let's start by making the dough. You're going to take a pot and add 2 cups of flour, also 1 teaspoon of salt and 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 cups of water. Stir that all together until it's combined, and then put that pot over medium heat. This part is for grown-ups only, but my daughter is definitely going to want to help. It makes me so nervous. Just keep a close eye and cook until it's congealed and kind of lumpy like this. I promise it'll all work out. Now transfer that to a bowl and add 1 to 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. This part is for grown-ups only until the cinnamon is combined. Get out of there, little one. Just because sometimes people say that it's not great for little ones to be around loose cinnamon in case they inhale it. Mix it together, make sure it's cool enough for them to touch. They can help you knead it at this point. It's super fun. And knead it until it is smooth and soft. It's just going to take a couple of minutes. I also went ahead and I made a second batch of dough. I eliminated the cinnamon and added some orange food coloring to make orange Play-Doh as my pie filling. If you want, you could also just divide this recipe in half and dye half of it if you just need a little bit. So this is a disposable pie plate. You're going to start with your cinnamon brown Play-Doh, some orange Play-Doh, and a bunch of spices like star anise. Those are whole cloves. You could do pom-poms, but if you want to go with all edible things, peppercorns work too. And this really helps with the sensory element. Not only does it feel amazing, but it's going to smell so good with all of these spices. And just let them have fun. You can show them how you do the crust first, and then they add the filling, and then the best part, you can let them decorate. My daughter loves to make Play-Doh creations, and this one is perfect for this time of year. Keeps them busy while you're getting stuff done. How does it smell?
The pie is smelling delicious. Now I need to just open it in your oven.
There's her little oven.
Oh my goodness, it's yummy. Now you have sunny.
If you want, this is actually a great activity for preschools, playgroups, or for a kid's table at Thanksgiving. Just put some Play-Doh and all of the different supplies in little baggies. Okay, so another idea. Let's make some chocolate-covered strawberries that look like turkeys. Cut some pretzels in half, dip one end in white chocolate, cover a strawberry in melted milk chocolate, and then you're going to add those pretzels to your strawberry using a little bit more milk chocolate to make them look like little turkeys. I love this idea for a Thanksgiving dessert table. Just bite-sized and fun and fresh at the end of a really fun long meal. Something else you could do if you are interested, you take some paper and fold it like an accordion. This is such a great thing to help little ones with fine motor skills. They like to do this a lot. And then you can either glue or tape this to the back of a paper cup. If you add some eyeballs, a little beak, you could turn these into either characters for a grown-up table or for a kid's table, and it's just a fun place card for you to use. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope you enjoy, and if you're interested and you like these kinds of videos, follow me for more. See you soon. Bye.